we have a huge signal to noise problem in our profession.
Yeah.
We can't focus to save our souls. I mean, I go into organizations and I look at their GRC tools and their risk registers. Half the time, at least, their risk registers don't contain a single risk. It's all, again, this junk. If you take something like, a bad password or a misconfigured server, and you call that a risk and you assign a likelihood and impact to that, that likelihood and impact rating will never stand up. It's nonsense. But it's noise. It generates tremendous amount of noise. They don't obviously understand that it's a problem, because if they did, they wouldn't have it in their risk register that way. But they're trying to manage this junkyard as if it's, as if it represents the things that really matter.